Alright, so, oh fuck, what, hold on. Alright, so we're gonna be creating a simple dice game here. I'll show you it. Hold on. 2D. And then, let's zoom out. Alright, so here's our game. And here's what it will look like. And hold on, I reset this. It's properly in there. There. Alright, so before we get started, you're gonna want to create this. And then just pause the video and create it. And then you're gonna create an empty, call it dice, and put a script on it called dice. So you can open it up in your editor. I just want to develop because, you know. So before you do anything, delete all the stuff here like void start and, you know, void update, and put using unity engine.ui. And then we're gonna do public text score. Make sure this is right. There's just one space. Oh, sorry. And now I'm gonna do public text high score. Then you're just gonna end that off with a semicolon. Now void start, then the bam. So here we are. Now you want to leave this be. Don't put anything in it. And then you're gonna want to do public void roll dice parentheses and then squiggly line. No, curly brackets. So now you're gonna want to do int number is equal to random dot range. Oh, sorry. Range. And then you're gonna want to bam. Just gonna want to put parentheses and 1 to 10 or whatever number, but it will not include 10, so it'll be 1 to 9 or 1. So if you did 9, it would be 1 to 8, so we're just gonna do 10. Alright, so now score dot, hold on, text is equal to number dot to string, oh my god, this is really annoying, to string, and then bam, bam. So you can put to roll the number straight here. And then you want to do if, then to parentheses, or just, you know, then number is greater, that's less than, sorry, player prefs dot get int. This is what you want to do. Then open another one, put high score, and then space, comma 0. And I'll have all of this linked in the description. Then you want to open it up, put that there, and then player prefs dot set int high score, then fuck, I can't do this, then number, and then you're gonna want to end that with a semicolon, then high score dot text is equal to number dot to string, then, and then so Now everything here is alright. I'm gonna create just something right here called public void reset, and this will be calling to this reset button. So all you have to do is just put, oh wait, sorry, I forgot to do the parentheses and bam. So now you want to do player prefs dot delete, and you can do delete key, which will remove all player prefs, or just, and delete key will be just to delete the high score, but delete all will delete all user data. So we're gonna do this, and then you just need to do bam, open parentheses and semicolon. Now high score dot text is equal to, and then you want to put 0, bam. Alright, so now in here you want to put high score. Well, you could actually just copy this so it's perfectly normal. Dot text is equal to player prefs dot get int. So basically here you're just making sure that you can get a high score greater than your previous one. So like if you had 2, you wouldn't get 1, and yeah, and I would switch to 1 instead of keeping 9 because that's the highest number. And then this is, yeah, just to roll the number. Then get int, and you want to open that up. Put high score in here, comma 0 dot toString, and then yep. Now make sure everything is the same here. You can put stuff like to reset high score if you want. This is to make sure that high score is greater than prev. And you can have, this is just to, alright, so you want to save this. I want to go back into Unity, wait for this to appear. Wait, what? So now we're getting this error. No, it does not exist in the current context. So our dice is not properly working. Hold on, I see this. Right. So okay. Hold on, I'm just looking at my previous one I did. Hold on, I see. Online copy this. Hold on. Trying to do something, but can I really not copy this? Oh, alright. Hold on, I need to find out why this isn't working. Okay, 11. Oh, sorry guys, I'm sorry. That's stupid of me. I put high score. Alright, there, you should be able to save it now. Alright, and then click on dice. Then it should appear. never mind. This still isn't working. So it's 11. Or 3. So it's 11. Alright, now this is where you can try this. Hopefully it'll work. Alright. So, problem on my end. I did it wrong. So, the fix is I just put the wrong thing in. So this is capital and I just put lowercase here and everywhere else it said high score. So, sorry guys. And then for score, you want to get your score right here and drag it in. Then high score to 1 to be there. And then you want to have high score title to nothing on here. High score. And then you want button to have reset. So then you want to drag into your dice. Then you want to go to dice and then reset. And then we will want to go to roll dice. And we'll want to drag in our dice from here. Dice and roll dice. Now, if you quit, we're not going to go over, but it's pretty simple. Here, I'll show you the thing I did. It's pretty easy. Just public void quit and debug.log quit and application.quit. So now if we play, everything should be set up. So I don't know why. Wait, hold on. This is the button, correct? See, hold on. Why? Alright, I don't know why this isn't working. But if we actually build it, this is the way around it. You can put development build on if you want. You can do build. And I'm just going to call it slice and dice beta 002. And you can add as much as you want on here. I do have a start menu. I'm not going to go over that, but you just want to build it and you'll be just building everything. Alright, so it's in here now. And open it. I have an icon for it. I already made the icon. So yeah. And so it's in here. We have a little logo. I'll tell you how to do logo and all that stuff next video. So if we just click play, a little splash screen will come up. And our buttons do not work. I don't know why that is. But I'll show you what the game would be like. So we just need to close this. So let's open my previous one. If your buttons aren't working, it's okay, because it won't happen with you. It's my mouse not working. Alright. I don't believe my mouse is working. That's odd. Let me see this. Yeah, my mouse isn't working. Or buttons are broken. Which are bad. So I'm just gonna close this and find out why the buttons aren't working. Alright. So I can tell you that these are buttons. You can see that they are. Yeah, we want to have interactable. it has on click, but let's actually remove that, see if this will work. Then just drag this in. It's rolled ice. Now let's see if it'll work. If it doesn't, yeah, it doesn't work. Alright, I will get a fix for this in the description so you guys can do it. But thank you guys for watching this tutorial video. If your buttons don't work, please tell me and I will find the fix.